Hi kids. Hello parents. I am Rimjim Bera and welcome to my class. Corona, Corona, Corona. Everywhere only Corona. But this coronavirus can't stop me from teaching you. So today I am here to help you with GK. But before starting, let's play a game. The name of the game is Flash. And in this game, I will show you a flashcard and you will tell me the name of the picture on the flashcard in 5 seconds. Okay? Now, I am here with my first flashcard. Are you ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, all of you, tell me the name of the picture on the flashcard. I am going to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Great. All of you have given correct answer. Yes, this is the picture of our country, India. India is also called Bharat and Hindustan. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Get ready for the second flashcard. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, tell me the name of the picture on the second flashcard. I am going to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all of you stop. That's impressive. All of you have given correct answer. Yes, this is the picture of our national flag. So, today I am going to discuss the first chapter of GK, that is our national flag. Our national flag is a horizontal tricolor of saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. In the center of the white band, there is a navy blue wheel with 24 spokes known as Ashok Chakra. Due to the 3 colors of our national flag, it is also known as Tiranga. Saffron color stands for courage and sacrifice. White symbolizes truth and peace. Green represents prosperity and life. The Ashok Chakra with 24 spokes represents 24 hours of a day. On Republic Day, the national flag of India is hoisted by the President of India at Rajpath. And on Independence Day, the national flag of India is hoisted by the Prime Minister of India at Red Fort. Now, we are going to have a look at other national signs of India. Come. Our national signs. National emblem. National anthem. National song. National flower. National fruit. National river. National animal. National bird. National currency symbol. These national signs are our national pride. Now, let's have a look at these national signs in details. National emblem. National emblem was adopted on 26 January 1950, the day when India became republic. Emblem also consists the motto of India, Satyamev Jayate. National anthem. Jana Gana Mana by Rabindranath Tagore is our national anthem. National song. Vande Mataram by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee is our national song. National flower. Lotus is our national flower. National fruit. Mango is our national fruit. National river. Ganga is the national river of India. It is the largest river of India. National animal. Tiger is our national animal. National bird. Peacock is our national bird. National currency symbol. The rupee sign is our national currency symbol. Today we discussed chapter 1 of GK, that is our national flag. Now open your GK books. This is your GK book, Know and Grow with Derek. Now what you have to do is go to page number 1 of your GK book. This is page number 1 of your GK book, and you can see the name of the chapter on the top, our national flag. What you have to do is color the national flag with correct colors and then fill in the blanks with the help of the help box. So, what did we learn today? We have learned about our national flag. We learned that the color of the top band of our national flag is saffron. The color of the middle band is white. And the color of the lower band is green. In the center of the white band, there is a wheel with 24 spokes. We also discussed about our other national signs like national flower, national animal, national anthem, national song, etc. Children, you should always have respect for your nation and national signs. You should always be proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind!